take the plate bracket, you want to line it up underneath where there's a tab right here. That's going to line up underneath here. With that lined up, then you can take a pen or marker and just mark where the holes are. On the bumper itself, there is these little dimples. If you can see them right there, and right there. That is where you're supposed to drill, but if those aren't there, then you're going to have to make those marks. You want to take some rivets that fit through the plate bracket, like that. You're going to need 4 of them. And you want to find the appropriate drill bit size for the rivets. Just line those up. Then we're going to drill a hole right where those dimples are. What you could also do, once you get one of the holes in there, get this lined up, put the rivet in. It's going to hold this in place. Make sure those are lined up, and then you can drill it this way as well. Now with all the rivets in place, you're going to take a rivet gun and secure the rivets. Make sure you push pressure towards the bumper. That's secured. Do the same on the other ones. Now the bracket's secure, you can install your license plate and put the 2 screws in and tighten those down.